This video demonstrates the usage of typecasting using a static cast. This program converts a Celsius temperature to a Fahrenheit. So we get a Celsius from the user, the Celsius value from the user, and then we output that as a Celsius. And then we convert to a Fahrenheit. And what I'm going to do is move the declaration of the variable to the top of the program. There we go. And now what we're doing inside of this line of code is we're calculating the Fahrenheit based on the user inputted Celsius. And then we output the value of Fahrenheit. So that's fairly straightforward. We're using the literals, the floating point literals, because if we used an integer literal for this division, then we would, instead of getting 1.8, we would actually get a truncated just a 1, because integers don't have the decimal values. So we lose those decimal values. Okay, let's compile the program. When we compile, we get a warning. It's not an error, so we could run the executable, but warnings are good to address. So let's take a look at this one. On line 15, which is this line where we're evaluating and creating the value for a Fahrenheit from the Celsius, we get a warning. Converting to int from double. So we're converting to an int, which is the Fahrenheit, from a double, which is what this expression evaluates to. Since we haven't explicitly written code that casts the double to an int, we get a warning. To remove the warning, we can typecast. So we have a static cast, and we'll cast this to an int, and then we'll put these in parentheses, save, compile, no warnings this time, and when we say 100 degrees Celsius, we expect to get the Fahrenheit 212.